there, curl friend. With every RobeCurls purchase includes our CurlTalk program. Our CurlTalk program is where you can sign up for a free virtual one-on-one curl class with one of our heatless curling experts. You just go to RobeCurls.com and you can sign up there. Our commitment to customer satisfaction, it goes beyond the sale of the product. We genuinely care about your experience and are dedicated to helping you achieve the best curls of your life. I'm Emily Kenison, hello, and I invented the heatless curling headband, and I perfected it. RobeCurls Heatless Curling Headband, it's fully patented and undoubtedly the best in the market. When wearing our curling headband, it should be comfortable, it should feel stylish and secure, and when you unwrap, you should have great, long-lasting curls. If any of that is not the case for you, do not fret, hair to help. Get it? Hair to help, here to help. Oh. Yeah, okay. Simply sign up on our website, RobeCurls.com, for our free Curl Talks. Our Curl Talks, they generally last only 15 minutes, and during it, we'll solve any issues you're having and give you personalized tips and tricks specifically for your hair type and your curl goals. We'll make sure that RobeCurls gives you the best curls of your life. Now, our Curl Talks, they're very casual. You can show up anywhere, and just as long as you have your curling headband and your scrunchies and that you have your good internet connection, since we do them over Zoom, that's all you need. Everything else doesn't matter. It's going to be super casual, super informal, super fun, and in it, we're going to solve all your problems. Really hope to see you in one of our Curl Talk sessions and make sure that you get the best curls of your life.